What's up guys, breaking news. Disney is looking into buying Epic Games, the creators of Unreal Engine and Fortnite. According to insider sources, Disney executives have been waiting years for the right moment. And with Epic's massive layoffs that happened just a couple days ago, Disney is seeing this as a perfect moment to buy the company. You see, Epic Games and Disney have a long-standing partnership. They have collabed many times in the universe of Fortnite, bringing things like skins, bringing thematics for the creative maps that you can build, and of course, Disney has also used a lot of Unreal Engine for TV and film production like The Mandalorian, where they have all the screens, right? And all that is rendered inside of Unreal Engine. So basically, Alex Heath, which is the author of the Sources newsletter and co-host of the Access podcast, which is a very reliable source, he's a man with context, shared insights into Disney and Epic. When the host addressed rumors about Disney considering buying Epic Games, Heath stated that he knows for a fact that there are senior executives inside of Disney who want them to buy Epic Games and are just waiting for that moment. And if you didn't know, just a couple days ago, Epic had some big layoffs with more than 1,000 Epic employees being laid off of the company, which is not so great. Disney hasn't only worked with Epic Games for some Fortnite skins or The Mandalorian, but they've also used Unreal Engine for specific Disney park attractions and even more film productions. Disney has also leveraged Fortnite to promote its treasure trove of IP, and it is now being claimed that Disney executives are waiting for the opportunity to swoop in and buy Epic Games outright, as you can see. And if you didn't know, Disney has actually invested more than $1.5 billion in Epic Games. They literally own a bit of stake and equity. They made this deal already some time ago, and they just wanted to continue partnering with Epic Games to bring more, of their IPs into Fortnite and be more connected with Unreal Engine and all this stuff. So they have already trusted in Epic Games since a while ago, and this is just the tip of the iceberg, as you can see. And by the way, guys, if you are using Unreal Engine 5 to make your games, I actually have something that would make your workflow 100 times easier and quicker. I created an always-on AI overlay that is always watching your screen, has your entire Unreal Engine 5 project context, and will help you make your games. You can ask it any question and it will go ahead and tell you step by step what you need to do based on what you have on screen. That way you don't need to go into Google, you don't need to be searching on forums. You directly just go and ask it and you'll get a direct answer. Just like that, easy. You can download it right now for free, so the link is in the description. So this isn't just a random rumor that came from nowhere. Alex Heath, who I just mentioned, the journalist with a lot of context, knows for a fact senior, executives at Disney that are already looking into buying Epic Games, and with the layoffs, they're thinking it might be a good opportunity. And why does Disney want Epic Games so badly? Well, think about it, Fortnite is a more than 100 million active player platform. They have the biggest entertainment game in the last decade, right? Or if not, one of the biggest ones. And they really wanna run more Star Wars and Marvel events inside of it. So if they own it, what better chance, right? They have literally complete freedom to do what they want. And then on top of that, they have access to Unreal Engine. And like I mentioned a bit earlier, Disney literally uses UE5 to film films like The Mandalorian and Disney park rides and different virtual production. And I mean, if they literally own the engine, they don't have to pay more licensing fees. They don't have to literally give anything into Epic Games, as it will be their own product. But what does this mean for us, the Unreal Engine 5 developers that use, this Epic Games product pretty much every single day? Well, obviously we have no idea what Disney, has planned if they do buy Epic Games at the end. But a lot of people are questioning about how the licensing might be affected, if they're gonna update the licensing, and you know, we might need to buy Unreal Engine in order to use it. It won't to be free. Or instead of waiting until you make the $1 million in revenue with your games, you know, they anticipate that you have to buy the, you know, percent that they take early on or something similar. But the good thing is that Tim Sweeney, the Epic Games, you know, founder and CEO, is a person that fights very hard for developer independence. For example, you can see that with the Apple lawsuit that happened, you know, well, has been happening for the last couple of years. So he'll likely, you know, negotiate protections before selling the company. So right now we just need to basically wait and see what happens. This is obviously not confirmed, guys. This is just insider information, but what we got today is true, is real, it's happening. They are considering, you know, this purchase, but obviously we don't know if it will actually be happening or how soon it will happen. And over at Reddit and on X, a lot of Unreal Engine devs and Fortnite gamers have been, you know, having different opinions of this. So yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about this potential, you know, takeover, and if you'll be against it or in favor of it. Because who knows, maybe Disney could bring some cool innovation into Unreal Engine, or the opposite. You know, we have no idea. So let's see. Let me know down in the comments. And now, yes, with that said, bye.